Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2023 Cayenne GTS. Beautiful car. It was initially purchased here by a frequent customer. It does have a clear mask, paint protection film. Goes up just from this area here down to the front of the car. So not the full hood, but nice partial front area. Just under 23 miles, or 23,000 miles, excuse me, as we'll see here in a moment when we go inside. This is currently equipped with Michelin, more of an all-season winter tire, but does come with a set of summer tires as well. All the wheels in good shape. There are a few blemishes, but very small, and I'm happy to go through those in greater detail for those that are interested in the vehicle. Let's take a look at the back area here. So we have Truffle Brown, Cohiba. It's a club interior, the club leather. So it's really a nice rich leather. Do have 4-zone climate control back here as well. Of course, the car is off, so we can't see that, but does have seat heating back here, as well as being able to adjust for the temperature on both sides. Panoramic sunroof, of course. We've got the shade across right now. Being a GTS, does have race text, which is a really nice warm feeling on the ceiling. Cayenne GTS here. Here we have the Porsche's 18-way seats, so you have a little more pronounced bolstering, by your thighs and your hips. And then you do have 2 adjustments here, which adjust those out and in as well. We do have a BOSE stereo. Really nice contrast with the darker brown and the lighter brown. And again, as it sits, 22,704 miles. I'm going to start it up. Twin turbo V8 has a really nice burble to it when you first start it up, or if it's in sport mode. It does have heated steering wheel as well. Sport chrono adds the stopwatch up here, and then the dial down here to go easily from normal to sport or sport plus mode. It does have air suspension, so when you go into particular sport plus, it will automatically lower the car. The nice thing is you can override that though. So if you'd rather be in the regular ride height, you can do that. Also, the chassis, you have different settings here for normal, sport, and sport plus. Being in sport plus in the drive mode, it's shifted down to sport plus here, but I can easily override that if I wanted a softer ride. Down here, we've got both heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. So just a really nice example of the Cayenne GTS. The sport exhaust, it's a great sound to it. You can hear that with a little bit of the popping sound. Just a really nice sound. If you have any questions, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.